Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Chef has a great video today. This is sweet honey chicken. It's also gluten-free. Now, a lot of our videos can be gluten-free by default, or you can kind of make them gluten-free, but we're actually pushing the gluten-free video today because we haven't done one in a while, and we think you're going to really enjoy this. So if you're gluten-free, definitely we think you have to try this out. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So the first thing is you want some fresh chicken, and Chef's going to use chicken tenderloin, the little strips. You can use a chicken breast if you want, but it's up to you. Go ahead and pat these down to kind of dry them off a little bit. And Chef said he's using these because of the thickness, just works really perfectly. He's going to use his ceramic knife and cut these into bite-sized pieces. And he says if you can find a ceramic knife, definitely pick one up. They have a lot of great positive attributes to them, and he loves his. So once if the chicken's been cut up, put them in a oven-safe pan bowl like this. He's using a glass bowl. And Chef reminds you we got to use gluten-free soy sauce because soy sauce always isn't gluten-free. So make sure you pick up some gluten-free soy sauce. In a large bowl, go ahead and put the soy sauce right in there. Add some ketchup. And don't forget all the ingredients we listed down below as well as our blog. Of course, next we're going to add that honey. And then some minced garlic. Okay, Chef's just going to go ahead and whisk this all together. And this is another time where you can add other seasonings if you'd like. So if you want to spice it up or whatnot, totally up to you. Okay, Chef has his chicken all nicely laid out. He's just going to go ahead and pour some of that glazed mixture right on top. And then just work it around with a fork. Now the glazed mixture will probably make enough for about 3 pounds, but Chef did only 1. Get your oven preheated to 375 degrees. And then place this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. You can also check it along the way. Okay, so Chef cooked up some just plain white rice. He put it in a ramekin, and he's going to place his plate on top and then flip it over to make kind of a cool little setting there. He's going to tap the top, and voila, a nice little rice bowl plate. All right, so the chicken came out right around a half hour or so. He's just going to go ahead and mix this around, make sure it's all nicely set. And now just simply place the chicken on top of your rice bowl like this. Or you can make a rice bed, however you want to do it. Chef thinks he's fancy. Alright, next Chef's going to take some of those drippings right from the bowl there that he cooked up and just right on top. Add some chopped up green onions for some color. And there you have it. Sweet honey chicken. Gluten-free sweet honey chicken. We hope you enjoy this dish. Definitely check out our gluten-free menu if you're gluten-free. And share it because we know a lot of people are looking for great ideas. Subscribe if you're new, if you like what we're doing, and check out some of our other videos. Thanks so much again, everyone, and don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.